Today we'll be discussing about Zoho Admin Console. This is the main interface of the Zoho Admin Console. Towards the right side you can view the profile information, and towards the left side there are the features that are available in Zoho Admin Console. And here, this is the dashboard, and here in the dashboard you can view about the organization details, the domains present, number of users and the groups, and the basic reports of email, the storage reports and the security reports. Here in the domains feature you can view the existing domains and you can add new domains here. Here in the users feature you can view the number of users present and you can add new user, you can invite users, you can import users from other services, and you can export users also. Bulk delete is a feature you can use to delete users, one or two users at a time, and you can add filters here like active users and the super admin profile. Here you can, with this feature you can easily navigate to particular user here. And here in the groups there are two features in groups. The first one is distribution list and the second one is shared mailbox. In the distribution list you can share mail to multiple people like 10 to 15 people, and shared mailbox is a mailbox where group of people work on it in order to send and receive emails. And data migration, in data migration you can do migration from other services to Zoho, like Google to Zoho, Microsoft to Zoho, and from other services to Zoho. And here in the mail settings you can configure email policies like email restrictions, account restriction, and access restriction and forward restriction. Email restriction, you can restrict user from sending emails to particular domain or receiving emails from particular domain here. And you can also restrict user from attaching files, and from subject restrictions also. For both incoming and outgoing you can do it from email restrictions. And account restrictions, you can restrict user from accessing particular thing like attaching files or photos from cloud, or import and exporting of emails. You can restrict account wise here. And access restriction is like accessing of services like IMAP services or POP services here. And you can also restrict user from email forwarding. And the other one is forward restriction. Here in the forward restriction you can restrict user from forwarding emails or forwarding files or photos or the data or something regarding the organization. And here in the email routing, you can add inbound and outbound gateway. You can add IP addresses. From this particular IP addresses users can access the resource. And here in the tools and configurations, here in the configurations you can view the configuration details. And in the toolkit you can view the detailed information of the domain, the records the present in the domain. Security and compliance, which is the most important feature. In security we have multiple features. The first one is 2FA. 2FA is like two-factor authentication, is like second layer of security for an organization, which acts as, suppose if a user tries to log in into application like Word document, even if he logins with his credentials by giving his email address and passwords, the resource asks him for two-factor authentication enabled. it will ask for 2-digit code. With giving the 2-digit code and verifying it, after verifying it, the user can log into that application. And password policy, you can set the password length into particular digit like 5, 4, 6, 8, 12, and you can also include special characters and numeric characters here. And you can also set password expiry date here. Uh, after this 32 or 30 or particular 10 days of time, user need to set a new password again. And then rules and privileges, here you can view the roles that are present in Zoho admin. One is super admin. By default, super admin have full access to all the features and resources across the organization. And you can also control spam, like allow giving particular email address. And if you want to receive emails from particular user or domain, you can give here you can add the name here, and you can allow him edited name. And you can also block particular user from sending emails or attachments from here. And you can also add particular domain as a trusted list here. And phishing and malware, here in phishing and malware we have uh, three features. One is none, move to spam, and move to quarantine. Suppose when an phishing mail or malware mail enters to your inbox, by default this feature make sure that the spam mails need to be sent to spam folder. And deleted email recovery, here you can if suppose if an employee leaves an organization, you can do backup of that employee of 30 days of data from this deleted email recovery feature. E-discovery and backup is a feature where you can do backup of an user. Suppose if you want to have backup of an user for 365 days or 30 days or for 20, 20 days and of 2 years and 3 years data, you can also do backup from this e-discovery feature. And in the subscription, we'll have the detailed information of the subscription details, total licenses, number of used licenses and the available licenses, the expiry date, and all we can view here. You can also navigate to other applications of Zoho like Click, Connect, and Contacts from this admin console. Here in the reports feature, you can view the detailed information of the reports like security reports or email traffic reports, or the size of the email, the emails that were rejected, number of emails are incoming, and the outgoing email traffic. You can also view the detailed information about this here in the reports feature.